This is how to do a quality control procedure on the Abbott Panbio test. You'll first start by wearing a mask and sanitizing your hands. Once the sanitizer is dry, you will put on a pair of new and clean disposable gloves. You will then get the materials you need to perform the control test, including the cardboard box, the lids, 2 extraction tubes, a bottle of buffer solution, the positive and negative controls. You'll pop up the box by pressing the sides and then folding down the 2 flaps at the end. To fill the extraction tube with buffer solution, you'll slowly press the buffer solution bottle until it hits the fill line at the bottom, right above where you see the white lid. There's a little line there. You'll put it in the cardboard holder and you'll get your positive control swab. It says positive, it's labeled on the swab, and it's a red swab that you're looking for. You'll take out the swab and you will put it in the solution for 1 minute. For the purposes of this video, we'll go past this, but know that you will wait 1 minute. And then you will, after 1 minute has passed, you will take the swab, swirl it around in the solution at the bottom at least 5 times, and then pull it through your squished fingers. The purpose of this is to get the liquid back down into the bottom. You'll then throw your swab into the biohazard bin, and you will close the tube. You'll then label the top of the tube with a P to indicate this should be the positive result, and you will then get a rapid test device, which you will also label with a P so that you know that the two will match each other. You're expecting a positive result from this kit to match that we used a positive control swab. You'll then pull off the white cap at the bottom and you'll apply 5 drops into the testing well on the test device by slowly squeezing the tube. Put the lid back on and you'll start your 15-minute timer, and you will wait 15 minutes to read the results of this test. While you're waiting the 15 minutes for the positive control swab to be read, you can start the same process for the negative control. So if you haven't already prepared this, you'll get another extraction tube and you will fill it again with buffer solution into the line, which is on the clear part of the extraction tube near the bottom. You'll put a lid on, and then you'll get your negative control, which is labeled in green writing on the package, and it will be a green swab. You'll pull out the negative and you'll do the same procedure as what you did with the positive. So you will open the extraction tube, put the negative control in there, and for the purposes of this video, it won't be a full minute, but in real life, you would wait a full minute. Then you would swirl around the swab in the bottom solution 5 times and pull it through your squished fingers. You'll then cap the tube and put the negative control into the biohazard bin. You'll then put the negative tube back in the holder. In theory, you can label this now with an N. In this case, she labels it after she performs the test. You'll open the testing kit device up and you'll do the same procedure you did with the positive, which is to then get the extraction tube, open the bottom white cap, and squeeze 5 drops onto the testing well of this negative testing device. She now labels the testing device with an N and the testing tube with an N. You'll then press your 15-minute timer and you'll wait 15 minutes before you read the results of this negative control swab. You'd expect to see a negative. You'll hand sanitize your hands at the end of the entire procedure.